Hey. So I'm shooting this video to answer a question I've been getting a lot. The question is twofold. How long does it take to start running your business? And how long will I see a financial result after the program? Now, my answer is I've seen people who are brand new to the credit repair industry earn their money back from the 30-day CRA program within 30 days or a few months. Now, oh, by the way, my name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and a location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Now, let's talk about ROI. Now, my student Vernell, for example, went from 0 clients to 42 clients, earning around $6,000 per month within 12 months of launching his business. My student Quentin went from 0 to 100K in net revenue in 12 months. So based on student results, there's an opportunity to earn back what you invested into this program pretty quickly. And after you earn back your investment, you can continue growing your business with 12 months of access to the program and student group, 6 months of live Q&A calls, which is 2 calls a week. And I must say, the student group is one of the best aspects of this program. You can ask an unlimited number of questions and learn from the best practices of other students. Now, my students drop some serious wisdom in the comments, but I'm also actively involved in a Facebook group sharing advice and responding to questions as well. Now, I'll be frank, you'll be hard pressed to find another program on starting a business where you get this much information, access to the instructor. Now, don't take my word for it. Go to 30daycra.com and check out the reviews and see what students have to say about the program. I put together all the steps for you, right? I also hold you accountable along the way because I love seeing my students win. That's why I do this. Building our credit repair agency has helped me and my wife go from being at the mercy of our employers to owning a business, buying our parents' home in cash, and being present for our daughter 24/7. All of this is amazing, but it's also not as rewarding if you are doing it alone. So my mission is to teach you my ways so many other families can experience the same ultimate financial freedom. Want to join the movement? Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.